Hi guys, it's for architecture here. In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the annotation and measure the room area in AutoCAD. On your keyboard, type empty command and then you can type the text you want. So in my case, it's a bedroom. I just type the bedroom and then click outside. You can see the text is so small. I will just change the property, the text height. In my case, I just try 200, still not a little bit smaller. Let's try 500 and see a little bit smaller, 250 is small. Let's go by 300. So I think it's fine now. Okay, next, we can just click on PR command to create a polyline. On here, you just select the room boundary. On your keyboard, RI command for the measuring the area. Here you can see our area is 28. So just copy the text and then type 28 square meter. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. You can share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.